Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to our next tutorial on Core Java. So now we'll discuss next in iterate statement, that is while loop. Last video we discussed about the for loop. Now we will concentrate on while loop. So how it can be? What is the difference? We'll see here. So this is while loop. So first of all, this loop can be used for executing the statements multiple times. A while loop has to be used when we do not know the exact number of iterations. See, for loop we are running that we know exact iterations, then we are running that for loop. But here we don't know exact iterations, how many iterations it wants to, so that we can do here this. So for this also we can see with an example how this can be done here. So for that I'm opening this is our Eclipse IDE. There we will create one this. So there we can write. Meanwhile here we will see how this syntax for this. Here for this syntax is very simple. While here just we can write condition, open brace, here statements. What are the statements you want to write? You can write those statements, then here you can close like this. It's a very simple way we can finish this. So for this, here I am creating one new project. So I'm creating one new project on the name of while demo. While demo. Just I'm creating project name as while demo. So clicking on next. So click on finish. So the project is created here while demo. In this we can create as usually we can create a package. As usually I'm creating here the package. In our last continuous programs we are creating the same process. Here also I'm doing the same. Here I'm creating one package com.andro. I'm creating with the same name. Then here we can create one Java class, that is while demo. So here we can create this public static void main string args. Done. So here just I'm writing here one integer value n equal to 8. I want one more I equal to 1. I'm taking two values. One is n and is so I'm taking here while I less than or equal to 10. Less than or equal to 10. Simple. Here just I'm writing this. So system dot out dot println system dot out dot println. Here I want to print n value plus that I am multiplying with plus 1, means whatever the value it is there, I want to multiply with that. Sorry, not 1, it's I, because I value we took that. Then plus and I want to print that value equal to here, equal to again plus n into I, n multiplied by I. This is, I'm expecting this out. How this will come, see, I'm running this application. You can see. See, it is execute. So we don't know. See, still it's a progress. But here I'm changing this to, instead of this, I'm changing this to here. 8. Then what happens, you can see here. See, it executed somewhere it stopped. So this will be continued like this. This is the way this program is executed. So for this also there are some conditions. For while loop also there we have some condition. One is specifying a condition on while loop is mandatory. It should be Boolean type. So specifying condition is always, it's a mandatory, it should be Boolean type. And specifying of braces. Second is specifying of braces is optional. Without braces also, this also we can execute. If we don't specify the braces, then it will consider only one statement, and then that one statement is mandatory. If we want to consider multiple statements, then specifying of braces is mandatory. Within the columns, we can specify any number of statements. That we can do any number of statements. And one small note here, a Java program should not contain any unreachable statement. That is, every statement has to be executed at some point of time. This must and should be. This is not for this particular program. This is for every program. A Java program should not contain any unreachable statement. That is, every statement has to be executed at some time. So thank you for watching this. Please subscribe to get more updates. Thank you.